How to remove AirTag from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Find My application on your phone. Once you are here, you will be on the Me page by default. You can manage your location sharing and notification settings from here. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Items tab. This section allows you to keep track of your personal belongings using AirTags or other compatible accessories. Once you are on your Items tab, here you can remove your AirTag. Once you tap on it, you will be able to see the removal option. After that, if you want to add AirTag again, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon, and from here you can add it back. Following these steps, you can easily remove AirTag from an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.